Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Jessica. In today's lesson, we will practice listening skills.
Video includes 3 parts. Watch until the end and test your English listening skills.
In part 1, you will listen to conversations. There are some blanks in the conversations where you have to select the best answers to find the correct phrases or words. You will have 5 seconds for each answer.
So, you're going to teach me this chess thing?
Yeah, it's easy once you get the hang of it.
Where do we even start?
Let's set up the board first.
All right, these pieces are all over the place.
Each piece has its own place. I'll show you.
Why are the knights shaped like horses?
They represent cavalry, hence the horse shape.
Makes sense. And why do they move in an L shape?
That's just how the game works. It's unique to knights.
Okay, and what's this piece with the crown?
That's the king. The whole game revolves around protecting him.
Got it? If the king's trapped, that's checkmate, right?
Exactly. You're catching on quick.
I try. What about this tall piece next to the king?
That's the queen. She's the most powerful piece.
Because she can move in any direction, right?
Yep, as far as she wants, but not through other pieces.
Okay, what's the strategy here?
It's all about control. Control the center. Control the game.
Easier said than done.
Let's play a few moves, and you'll start to see patterns.
I'm going to be honest, this is tougher than I thought.
You'll get it. Chess is like a dance. You learn the steps over time.
A dance, huh? Guess I've got 2 left feet then.
Just take it one step at a time. Patience is key.
I'll trust you on that. This queen's about to dance then.
There you go. See, you're making moves already.
Maybe I can actually get good at this.
With practice, you can. Now let's see what you can do with your king.
Lead the way, chess master.
Part 2, fill in the blanks. In this part, you will have to fill in the blanks while listening to conversations. Please listen carefully so you don't miss any information. You will have 5 seconds for each answer.
Good morning. I need to talk to someone about my room.
Sure, what seems to be the problem?
Well, for starters, the air conditioner is not working at all.
Oh no, that's not good. Did you try the control panel?
Yep, I fiddled with it for ages. Nothing.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'll send someone up right away.
And another thing, there's no hot water.
That's definitely not okay. After the AC, I'll have them check the water heater.
Thanks. And, the room. It's kinda dirty.
Dirty? In what way?
There are crumbs on the carpet, and I found a lot of hair on the bed.
Well, I'm terribly sorry. We'll clean your room immediately.
Also, the TV's stuck on one channel.
I apologize for all these issues. I'll have our technician look at it as soon as possible.
How long is all this gonna take?
We'll try to fix everything within 2 hours.
2 hours? I have a meeting in 1 hour.
We'll prioritize your room. Let me offer you a complimentary breakfast for the inconvenience.
Breakfast won't fix my schedule.
I understand. How about we move you to a different room right now?
Finally, a solution. Let's do that.
I'll have a bellhop come up with the new key and help you move.
Thanks. I hope this room's in better shape.
It will be, sir. Again, I apologize for the trouble.
Let's hope so.
Hi, Mr. John. I'm Linda from the receptionist. How is your room now, sir?
This is much better. Thank you.
You're welcome. And we've added a credit to your account for the inconvenience.
I appreciate that. You've handled it well.
We always strive to make things right. Enjoy your stay.
I will. Thanks.
Part 3. Listen and answer. In this part, we'll listen to a story. You will have to listen to it and answer some questions based on the story. Are you ready? Let's go.
Have you heard about the new policy change at work?
No. What policy?
They're saying we can't have coffee at our desks anymore.
That can't be right. That's like coffee is essential.
I know, but Greg from HR told me it's because of the new carpets.
That may be fake news. There's no way they do that.
You think so? I was really worried.
I'll ask around. This needs to be cleared up.
Thanks, Lisa. I need my coffee.
We all do, Mark. We all do.
I seriously need to stop spending money.
What happened now?
Just looked at my credit card bill. It's bad.
Did you go overboard with the shopping again?
I guess I did. Those sales got me.
You have to be more careful, Alex. Want help making a budget?
That'd be great. I don't even know where to start.
First, let's cut down on the takeouts. Cooking at home will save a lot.
You're right. No more pizza deliveries for a while.
And maybe limit those gaming purchases?
Ouch! That's going to be tough, but I'll try.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.